Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery of the Vivo Y20 smartphone. If your Vivo Y20 is not holding charge, draining too fast, or shutting down suddenly even at high battery percentage, it might be time to replace the battery. First, switch off the phone completely. Now, using a metal flat opening tool, gently remove the back cover. Be careful not to damage the fingerprint sensor cable while opening. Once the back panel is opened, next, unscrew all the visible screws on the plastic shield covering the motherboard and battery connector area. Disconnect the fingerprint sensor and keep the back panel aside. After removing the screws, gently lift the shield using a spudger. Now, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is very important to avoid short circuits. You will notice that the battery is fixed with adhesive. Gently pull the battery out using a plastic tool or by slowly heating the back side to soften the glue. Once removed, clean the area and prepare the new battery. Install the new Vivo Y20 battery in the same position. Press it gently to fix it into place. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Place the plastic shield back and tighten all screws securely. Now, reconnect the fingerprint sensor and close the back cover. Press around the edges to fit it properly. If everything looks good, the battery replacement is successful. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mobile repair tutorials.